सपनों की दुनिया में रात खो गई, सोई हुई किस्मत झट से खुल गई। तकदीर बनाना चाहे हर कोई, भले रास्ता हो गलत या सही। नसीब की लकीरें यहाँ तक खींच लाई, पसीना बनके निकली मेहनत की कमाई। यहाँ कपड़ों की होती है धुलाई, इसीलिए इसे कहते हैं धोबी घाट इन मुंबई। As the siren of train buzz aloud and the city wakes up from its sleep, unaware that another society in its own have started working long back. With a heritage of 138 years, situated at Mahalakshmi in Mumbai, the place is called as Dhobhi Ghat. This unique organization attracts tourists from not only India but from around the globe. The daily working of this place supports 800 family and its 10,000 members who live and work over here. Spread around 32 acres, Dhobhi Ghat is the largest outdoor washing machine in the world. Every day, 500,000 clothes are sent to Dhobhi Ghat from the city and its suburb for cleaning, washing, and ironing. To avoid the confusion in handling these clothes on daily basis, a unique marking system exists in Dhobhi Ghat. In this system, the clothes are marked with their own special code. For example, here M stands for source initial, Rafiq is the worker at Dhobhi Ghat responsible for the cloth, and 8 represents the number of cloth. The clothes that come to Dhobhi Ghat are subjected to step-by-step process to clean them. First, there are lines of drum to boil water. This hot water is poured into wooden barrels and clothes are submerged into it. The household as well as branded clothes like Lee Cooper, Levi's, Provoke, Spiker, which are sent to Dhobhi Ghat, all go through this process. The worker use long wooden stick to submerge them properly in the hot water. This removes lot of impurities. Then these clothes are taken for washing by the workers to their respective stones. In all, there are 826 stones in Dhobhi Ghat, each costing around 4 to 5 lakhs. The workers smash cloth on rock for thorough cleaning. This is old traditional practice which is carried out since the establishment of Dhobhi Ghat. The worker work for span time of 16 hours from 4 in the morning up to 8 at night to earn their daily wages.
मेरा नाम सुधीर कुमार पुजारी कनुज है और मैं बचपन से मतलब बॉम्बे में पढ़ाई किया। पढ़ाई करने के बाद मैंने सन 2000 में स्कूल छोड़ दिया। उसके बाद से मैं अपना कपड़ा धोने का बिजनेस करने लगा। आज मुझे काम करते करते धोबी घाट में 10 साल हो गए और इसके अंदर सब टोटल 10,000 आदमी काम करते हैं। एक आदमी की सैलरी इस टाइम 3,500 और 4,000 रुपये होती खाना वगैरह खा के। उसके बाद वो 12-14 घंटा काम करते, मतलब जब तक एक आदमी का काम पूरा अनलिमिटेड कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाता जब तक उनको काम करते रहना पड़ता है। काम का मतलब कोई टाइम टेबल नहीं है कि हाँ इतने बजे से इतने बजे आपका काम फिनिश हो जाएगा।
After this process, the clothes are treated with various chemicals at the wash table. This is done in order to protect the cloth from losing their color and texture. This also gives a new shine to the clothes. A special brush and gloves are used so that chemical do not damage the worker's hand. With the changing time, Dhobhi Ghat has been influenced by modern technology. Machinery is used to carry out manual process effectively. These machines washed around 80 to 100 clothes at a time. But every coin has two sides. Although these machines helps to save a lot of time and manpower. Many workers are left jobless due to requirement of one person to operate a machine. Also, clothes washed in the machine cannot be compared to those done manually. The biggest advantage of modernization is that it has fastened the drying process. With a city filled with individuals who have no time to waste, there is no leisure of letting the clothes dry for a day. There are spinning machines which remove water by rotating the container with cloth at a high speed. This drains out most of the water from the clothes. After the spinning machine process, the clothes are taken for outdoor drying. The clothes are hanged on rope with the help of special knot. These ropes are scattered in a wide area across the Dhobi Ghat. Branded and household clothes also undergo this same process. The clothes then are ironed to give them stiffness. This is done by old method in which huge iron are heated by ignited coal. The heavy iron and the heated base stiffens the cloth and make them more presentable. This summarizes the cleaning process of clothes at the Dhobi Ghat. As the city drowns in darkness, Dhobi Ghat still keep working. When people head out for late night parties, the workers have their meal. They take a sigh of relief and rest, as tomorrow will be the same, whatever it happens.